out in the streets, skittering around. It can move a mountain to snow, they're owned by the town. Transportation is essential, driving is a right. How can you leave the roads like this? Population despite. We the people need to drive, the roads must stay clear. Plowing at your leisure isn't safe at any gear. It's unsafe this time of year. It's unsafe, can't you hear? Catch and release, catch and release, catch and breathe the snowplows. Catch and release, catch and release, catch and breathe the snowplows. I grew up in this little town, snowplows always around. What has happened? Where have they gone? We must find them and make them strong. Lead them snowplows all year long, so our snowplow force is strong. Plow all day and all night too. Plow the storm is what we do. Catch and release, catch and release, catch and breathe the snowplows. Catch and release, catch and release, catch and breathe the snowplows. Breathe the snowplows, watch them grow. Give them sand, give them snow. Don't go, snowplows, we need you. Breathe them snowplows, watch them grow. Give them sand, give them snow. Don't go, snowplows, we miss you. Breathe them snowplows, watch them grow. Give them sand, give them snow. Don't go, snowplows.